Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set a reminder in Google Sheets. Imagine you're juggling multiple tasks or managing a big project and you're worried about missing important deadlines. It's easy to see how things could slip through the cracks. But don't worry. Setting reminders in Google Sheets can be a game changer. It helps you stay on top of your tasks and ensures that nothing important goes unnoticed. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up these reminders step by step. All right, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is get the Reminder add-on for Google Sheets. This add-on is crucial as it enhances the functionality of your spreadsheets, allowing you to set up and manage reminders with ease. Here's how you can get it. Navigate to the top menu of your Google Sheets and click on Extensions. As you hover over this option, you'll see a drop-down with several choices. Look for Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This will open a new window where you can search for various extensions. In the search bar, type Add Reminders and browse through the results to find the appropriate add-on. Once you locate it, click on it to start the installation process. Google will guide you through any permissions that are required, making the installation straightforward. Once installed, the add-on is ready for use. Now that the add-on is installed, let's put it to work. Return to the Extensions menu, and now you'll notice a new option, Add Reminders. Click on it and select Setup, Edit Reminders from the drop-down menu. This action will open a side panel on the right side of your screen, which will serve as your command center for managing all reminders. To set up a new reminder, click on Add a New Reminder in the side panel. The first thing you need to do here is identify your deadline column. This is crucial as it determines which dates the reminders will be associated with. The add-on might automatically pick a column it believes might be correct, but it's always wise to double-check. Ensure that the column representing your deadlines or due dates is selected accurately. Once you have your deadline column set up, it's time to configure the timing for your reminders. This is where you can decide how far in advance or even after the deadline you want the reminders to be sent. You have the flexibility to choose the timing in hours, days, weeks, months, and even years relative to the deadline. Decide whether you want these reminders to be sent before or after the due date, and adjust your preferences accordingly. Next comes the important step of selecting who will receive these reminders. This part is crucial because you want to make sure the right people get notified. There's an option to notify yourself by ticking the Notify Me checkbox. If there are other people who should receive these reminders, you can add their email addresses here as well. To make the email notifications more effective, you have the option to personalize them. This feature allows you to customize the format and content of the emails, making sure they align with the tone and information you prefer to convey. Once you've fine-tuned everything to your liking, hit Done. And just like that, your Google Sheets reminders are set up and ready to keep you organized. This method is incredibly effective in taking the hassle out of tracking dates, ensuring you stay ahead of schedule. With these reminders in place, you can have peace of mind knowing that Google Sheets has your back, helping you to be prompt and organized. Happy organizing from all of us here at PMN Online. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to set a reminder in Google Sheets, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.